The objective is to create something original with each of the 4 apps. You saw me fumbling around in ArcWelder. Veterans, I don't want you using anything from prior years. If you do this, I want you to fumble around and try to discover something new because these are infinitely variable. I mean, that is the coolest thing about generative apps is they always create something unique. So play around, come up with something great. And when you save for the web, listen, please, 1080 pixels is your height. For all these apps, if you set the height to 1080, if I come here and save this for the web, this is going to be far larger than 1080. But once that pops up, you can see I'm up at 5200 pixels. If I change this to 1080 and hit tab for the height, the width automatically adjusts. For Shapescape, that width is going to be 1920 automatically. But set your height to 1080, save out your JPEG, and then back here in the Quest, there's a prompt for, hey, that one was ArcWelder. I would add it right here. And then probably have to save because you're not going to finish this. Do you understand? So you can save out all these, or you can build all 4 and not worry about saving, and then upload each one in the appropriate spot. When you save your work, please, please, please look at how these things are named, how everything is organized so that my PSDs and my JPEGs are sitting adjacent to the PDF that started it all out. Okay, there's the PDF, here's the PSD, here's a JPEG. I want you guys to understand that you need to stay as organized as I am. Otherwise, this doesn't work. When you save for the web, you've got to pay attention to where that file is going because it's going to go to the last place you saved for the web. After you save out an ArcWelder one and you go to, ShapePlane or Shapescape or GeoBuilder, wherever you're heading, it's going to try to save for the web into the ArcWelder folder. Pay attention to where your files are going. Understand? Because if you start using these apps, you're going to be so thankful that you are organized, and listen to Scotchko because, hey, voice of experience. I have fumbled around looking for files that I saved in the wrong place too. The cool thing is they're automatically named and numbered for you. Just follow that naming convention. Don't change it. Got it? Okay, can't wait to see you come up with. If you want deeper dives into each of these apps, well, after you finish this, some other quests might appear, and you can dive deeper into any one of the 4 generative apps that Gray Wolf has provided for you. Have fun.